analysis or always better control analysis is a technique for material control. We have discussed in our previous video regarding the different techniques for material control that includes stock levels, just-in-time, wet analysis. This is one such analysis which we will be looking into in detail. ABC analysis is an approach for classifying inventory items based on the item's consumption value. Consumption value is the total value of an item consumed over a specified time period, say for example a month or a year, etc. The approach is based on the Perito Principle to help managers to know what actually matters. A category items are goods where annual consumption value is the highest. Applying the Perito Principle, also referred to as 80-20 rule, is where 80% of the output is determined by 20% of the input. They comprise a relatively small number of items but have a relatively higher consumption value. So it's logical that analysis and control of this class is intense. They have a greater potential to reduce cost or loss. B category items are those whose consumption value are lower than A category item but higher than C category items. The scope of this class and inventory management policies are determined by the estimated cost benefit of the class cost reduction and loss control system and process. C category items, on the other hand, have the lowest consumption value. This classification has a relatively higher proportion of the total number of items but with relatively low consumption value. Advantages of ABC material control technique includes better control over high value inventory, improving availability and reducing loss and cost. Moreover, fewer stockouts and improved production efficiency results in more reliable cycle time and therefore improved customer satisfaction. It helps to have more efficient use of stock management resources. Therefore, ABC techniques works in a manner as to get prime attention to the important items or the critical few and not to have unnecessary attention spent on not so important items. ABC is also known as SIC, that is Selective Inventory Control. I hope the concept is clear. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.